Every day, there's a sinking feeling deep inside, knowing your vision is bigger than the broken system coughing up the same tired capital to the same tired projects. You watch money flood into the usual places while social enterprises capable of changing lives get scraps, if anything at all. It's raw frustration. The anger of seeing endless potential die because investors chase short term gains, comfort zones, safe bets. You're not just fighting for funds, you're fighting for the future. The enterprises that could heal communities, fix systems, disrupt immobility, they're starving for fuel. Meanwhile, traditional funding flows carburate on risk averse illusions, drowning innovation in a sea of sameness. But this isn't about pity, it's about unleashing. Imagine a place where capital isn't just money, it's a weapon for impact. Where investment isn't weighed by outdated metrics, but by the depth of change it ignites. Founders, hear this like thunder. Stop begging for a seat at a table that's rigged. Build your own table. Create networks that hug impact like oxygen. Investors, smash the chains of conventional wisdom. Stop pouring cash where it fuels decay. Instead, seek the breakthrough unseen by most, the social enterprises running on guts and grit, those who measure success in lives improved, not spreadsheets balanced. Start now. Demand transparency that cuts through the smoke and mirrors. For every pitch, don't just listen, dig deeper. Challenge the story, the numbers, the heart. Insist on metrics that matter, real human metrics. How many families lifted, ecosystems healed, cycles broken. Then connect those social enterprises directly with impact aligned investors. Tear down the middlemen who toy with your visions and siphon value. Build platforms where trust isn't earned over decades, but exploded in real time by shared values and relentless action. Founders, stop shrinking to fit into boxes that kill your fire. Own your narrative with brutal clarity. Become the translation between problems and solutions that investors can't ignore. Use data, yes, but wrap it in stories that strike at the soul. Make them feel the pain you heal and the injustice you refuse to accept. Investors, cultivate fierce patience and boldness. Remember, the biggest gains are born where others fear to step. Back the underdogs who refuse to settle, who forge futures from impossible odds. Align your moves with a system that elevates dynamic meritocracy. Trust earned every day in impact, not legacy or identity. Now, move beyond national borders, politics, old rules. This is about creating a global heartbeat of capital and courage. A network not fractured by flags but bound by shared vision. Social enterprise is the future's front line. It's where capital meets courage and innovation breaks chains. If the current financial flows seem a dead end, that's your signal. Rise and redraw the map. Fuel the brave few who build solutions that ripple into systemic change. This is not just funding. This is the fight for a new reality. One where finance serves the many, not the comfortable few. Push, connect, demand more, break illusions. Because when impact finance surpasses traditional funding, it breaks the chains holding innovation hostage. It kicks wide open the door to what the world desperately needs. Not tomorrow, now. Refuse to watch potential fade. Transform the game and own the future. The world's waiting for founders who dare, investors who believe, leaders who act. This is the moment. Seize it.